Let's look at how to set up a to-do list for your pool text. Now, a to-do list is, as the name implies, just a list of tasks that you want your text to do. Now, the task may not have anything to do with a specific customer. For example, you may just want the text to stop by Home Depot and pick up a new scrub brush. Okay, so let's look at how to set that up. You're going to go to Task Manager and click on it and scroll down to Tech To-Do Lists. Now, if you already have some tasks set up, you'll see them in the list. But to add a new task, you simply click the green Add button, and it brings up this screen, the Add To-Do Tasks. Okay, let's walk through this menu. Now, the first thing you do is select the text from the list. The next thing is to decide whether you want to send a text message to the text right away, yes or no. Once you've decided those, the next thing to do is to type in the task. For example, pick up a new scrub brush at Home Depot. Now, I've put in the task, and that's all I need to do. If I wanted to control when the task is shown to the pool tech, I will have to fill in down at the bottom here. But as far as adding a task, you are now complete. All you have to do is hit the submit button. Suppose I wanted this task to show up on only certain days of the week. Like, for example, suppose I wanted this task to only show up on Friday and only Friday, and then I want it to go away. Well, how would I do that? Simple. I would simply change the date here to Friday, which is the 27th, and then I would stop this task on the 28th because I don't want this task to show up other than the one time. So I want to stop it on the 28th. If I want the system to delete it, I can even do that too by setting the delete date the same as the stop date. Okay, so this task will show up once for the pool tech and then go away. Now, suppose I want the opposite. Suppose I don't want this task to disappear at all. I want this task to show up on the pool tech's to-do list on certain days of the week, but I want it to show up every single week. How do I do that? Well, what I would do again is I want it to start on Friday, let's say. So I leave the date the same, but I want it to show only on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I click Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And so now I have selected the days of the week that I want the task to be presented to the pool tech on his to-do list. However, when the tech clicks on completed, the task is considered over and done with. If I don't want that to happen, I want the task to be shown to the tech week after week, then I need to clear this box that says stop when completed or canceled. So now this task will be repeated every week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for this tech. Now, the only other thing on this menu that we have not touched on is the priority. The priority sets the sort order so that if you set a task to high priority, it will show up at the top of the text to-do list. Underneath the high priority items, all medium priority items will show up, and then on the bottom of his list, the low priority items. Okay, so now that you fill this in, all you have to do is click the submit button and the task will be added. So now we can go back and look at all the tasks that are out there for the particular pool tech. And that's how you create a task list for your tech.